Good morning to everyone. This is Padmavati from Government Degree College for Women, English faculty. Kinds of sentence. A sentence means a group of words combined, we can call as a sentence. So there are four kinds of sentences are there: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Now we can go through that. Declarative sentence means a declarative sentence is a sentence that forms a statement. It ends with a period. Example: I went to the amusement park. Declarative means it is declared completely. So now next month, August 15th, we are going to celebrate Independence Day. So that is already declared. And second of this Varalakshmi Vratam, we are going to celebrate. That is also completely declared. So what are the works we have to declare? We declared that we call as a declarative sentence. The sentence which is completely declared by us to be done is called as a declarative sentence. Some examples I am going to do for you. The sky is blue. I am a third grade student. We will go to the movies tomorrow. He is a great reader. We have a program in the morning. Our class is having a party on Friday. All these are the sky is blue. Everyone knows that it is a universal truth, and he is a great reader. And we have a program this morning. So in the morning, we already decided to complete the work. That is called as a declarative. Our class is having a party on Friday. So we decided to start to conduct a program on Friday. That is also called a declarative sentence. Means it is declared by us completely. That we call as a declarative sentence. Now second point is interrogative sentence. Interrogative is nothing but asking questions, raising questions, and getting the information from others. Example: the police interrogate the thief. So if anything happens, means we immediately we go to the police and complain to the police immediately, or he catch the thief and ask the question and raise the question to get the information about the theft. So like this, whatever it may be, we can whatever we want to get the information, that we call as a question raising. So sometimes can ask in a WH questions or yes or no questions. Like that, in different forms we can get the interrogative sentence. Example: may I borrow your newspaper? Did you turn the light off? What is your favorite song? Do you ride the bus? Have you ever visited the New York? So on. Now types of interrogative sentence. Sometimes, as I said before, yes or no also considered as a interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are questions that can be answered with a yes or no is response. Example: are you ready to go? Yes or no. Did you go to the game Friday night? So may not, may or may not. So yes or no, it will be considered as a interrogative. Alternative interrogative are questions that provide for two or more alternative answers. Example: would you prefer chocolate or vanilla ice cream? Should I? So he needs ice cream. So he is prefer for chocolate flavor or vanilla flavor. That may ask questions. For example, we went to the ice cream parlor, and we would like to have some of the different flavors that we need. So we'll ask the question: what are the types of the ice creams do they have? So sometimes they may ask like this: would you prefer chocolate? Like that, what they need is what the preferable flavor for us. So that will consider as a interrogative sentence. And so after chatting with one another, after meeting one another, we'll immediately will ask: should I call you or email you? That is also question. Now, as I said before, WH questions are considered as a interrogative. Now, in WH questions, sentence begin with a word and call for an open-ended answer. They begin with what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. The answer can be simple response or complex explanation. Example: what are you doing? Which songs do you like best? The tag questions are also questions attached or tagged into the ending declarative statement. They transform to the declarative sentence into interrogative sentence. Example: you live in the city, don't you? We need to get the going to now. don't we? These are the examples for the interrogative sentence. Now we are moving to the imperative sentence. Now, imperative sentence is nothing but giving commands and orders. Give commands or orders. Usually have no about subject. If there is one, it's normal you. Always have the base form of the verb. Bring me a glass of water, beer, or cool drink, whatever it is. Be here by midnight. Shut your mouth. This also considered as a command or like that. Exclamatory sentence means exclamatory means nothing but surprising. Means exclamatory sentence shows a strong feeling excitement. Oh, what happened? Sometimes they may fall down, they may get the highest prize, they may get the lottery, $2 million. Immediately we'll call it, oh, what a surprise you got, like that. So if we get a new dress from our parents or friends like that, we excitedly show our excitement. Oh, did you bring for me dress? Oh, what a excitement! How much excitement you are showing, like that. We'll say. An exclamatory sentence ends with exclamatory questions also. What a game that was! Our team is great. We won in the last minute. No one can beat us. We are the best. So, up to now, I explained for you different kinds of sentences and how to use, what are the uses of that, how can we use. So I think everybody understand easily to make a question, to raise a question, to show our exclamatory like this. So this is the conclusion of our sentence. Thank you one and all.